In today's society, there is extensive media coverage on being physically fit. Whether it's Khloe Kardashian's new workout routine on page 5 of People's Magazine or Jillian Michaels' aggressive stance on The Biggest Loser, exercise is a hot topic. But what exactly does being physically fit entail? It is clear that with continuous exercise, there are noticeable changes to the shape of your body. But is that the only motivation that racks millions of dollars at the gym? You may have heard or read of the numerous ways exercise has been implicated with enhanced cognition in the elderly. Cognitive decline is a major issue in the elderly population, so it makes sense that stimulation in the form of exercise would prove beneficial. The question then becomes, can exercise impact the young adult brain at the peak of cognition? The answer is yes. Aerobic exercise can benefit learning, memory, and cognition of young adults. Let's take a look at current areas of research to discern the association. In one study, a total of 30 male healthy college sports students were assessed after two 3-minute sprints. It was found that subjects learned 20% faster compared to moderate intensity exercise and the stationary trials. Neuroimaging results reveal that the high intensity exercise performed had led to elevated levels of peripheral catecholamines, mainly dopamine and epinephrine, and the brain derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is known to act in several cellular signaling pathways via its tyrosine kinase receptor, TRKB, to enhance synaptic efficacy, neural connectivity, and brain plasticity. Dopamine, commonly associated with reward-motivated behavior, regulates the prefrontal cortex functioning of executive function, which includes active problem-solving and motor attention. It is also involved in memory, intelligence, and language. The direct influence of epinephrine is less clear as it does not cross the blood-brain barrier. However, vagal stimulation by peripheral epinephrine can produce an excitatory response in the neuroadrenergic connections between the nucleus solitarius and the amygdala or the hippocampus. Epinephrine stimulation of the brain in this manner can improve learning capabilities. Thus, elevated levels of dopamine, epinephrine, and BDNF suggest a preliminary link between exercise and ameliorated neurological function. In another study, 20 participants, 10 males and 10 females, were recruited from an undergraduate kinesiology class and assessed for reaction time post 30-minute acute exercise on a treadmill. Results indicated that the experimental group demonstrated an increase in the amplitude of P3, an event-related potential elicited in the process of decision-making. Exercise linked to the increase in the amplitude of P3 suggests that acute bouts of cardiovascular activity may be beneficial to cognitive functioning, and in particular, executive control processes. What this research collectively suggests is that the increased BDNF, dopamine, and epinephrine directly improve cognitive function as proven by the rise in P3 amplitude. So what this all means is that purchasing a gym membership is not only beneficial to your outer appearance, but also to the network of neurons within your brain. For more information, check out the links below and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Demystifying Medicine. Thanks for watching!